Hey guys, Becky, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I am going to do a how-to on how to use one of these things. This is a 3-pronged curler, also known as a mermaid wand, a wave wand, a beach waver, or if we're keeping it really old school, a crimper. This one is the high curl 3-prong curler. It is extremely old. You can probably see all the hairspray on the handle there. I have had it for years. This one is a little bit smaller than what I've seen around. So I've seen so many ads on Facebook for the Mermaid curler and the Bondi Boost wave wand. They appear to be a little bit bigger than this one, but it's pretty much the same principle on how to use it. You put it on your hair and you hold it. So if you want to see how I got this beachy, mermaidy inspired curl, keep watching. So to get started, I've just brushed out my hair. I've used this Tony & Guy paddle brush that I've been using. I've been loving it. It's been working really well in my hair. And I'm just going to use some of the Tony & Guy Sky High Volume Dry Shampoo just through my hair here. I haven't used this before, so I'm really hoping I don't get really light marks on the roots. But we'll see how we go. I'm just going to run back through it again with the brush. Okay, so like always, we're going to section the hair. I have these alligator clips again, just going to start at the bottom of the ear and go across my scalp. So I'm just going to pull both sections to the front and just brush through them again. So with the beach waver, what I'm going to do is have the plate so it is facing the bottom and this part on top. So that's where the little lever is, that part is on top, and then the thing that comes up is on the bottom. So I've got this section of hair. It's not very thick, but it is a bit wider. So I'm just going to put it on and place it there, and I'm going to count to 10. And then just release and pull it out. So that's what we get when we do that. So then I'm just going to place it right where that one had stopped and count to 10 again. And you're just going to keep doing that until you're at the bottom of the hair. And on the opposite side, we're going to do the exact same thing. So just place it as close to the root as you can without bending yourself and count to 10. Go. As always, I tend to clip the parts I've already done, so I'm going to clip those back again and move on to the next section. So this time I'm going to go from about the middle of my ear right here and go across the back of my scalp. I just twist and clip that to the top there. So for this section, I'm just going to go right at the top there of my ear and pull it across. So with this one, it's pretty much the same thing over and over until you're done. And like always, just be extremely careful of your ears and your fingers when you're using these hot tools. Around the face with the beach waver is pretty much just the same as you've done the rest of your hair to keep it all uniform. So now that that's done, I'm just going to spray a little bit of hairspray on it. And when I'm spraying it, I'm just pushing it up to give it a little bit more volume. So what I've just used is the Tussled Texture Creation Hairspray from Toni & Guy. This is my first time using it. Seems alright so far. And I've just left my fringe straight and sprayed it down there. So that is it. That is how you get this mermaid inspired hair look using a 3-prong curler, a beach waver, a crimper, whatever you want to call them. They go by all those different names. I didn't do a lot of talking through that video because there wasn't really too much to explain, but as I mentioned, I held it in my hair for about 10 seconds each section. My sections weren't too thick. If you did have a thicker section, you would need to hold it on for longer. They were a little bit wider because we have all that room to work with, but they weren't too thick. I tried to keep them clean and consistent the whole way through. Just also keep in mind, do not burn your fingers, your ears. Just be so careful because it can be painful, and also getting this right up to your scalp, just be careful not to burn your head. Use a heat protectant. I used this Artego New Hair System Keratin Infused Heat Thermo Shield. I've been using the GHD heat protector, but I had left that at my parents' house. So thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you're interested in more content, and I will see you next time. Bye!